All right. Hey there. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to go over really quick how to set up a Facebook group that is private for your Facebook launch party. Now, this is absolutely crucial that you follow every single step that I am showing you of how to set it up because it needs to be a private page. Now, Amber, why does it need to be private? It needs to be private because you are going to be going over all things Scentsy, and Scentsy has some compliance issues that sometimes we run into. So you want to make sure that you are checking you're crossing your T's, checking your I's, and you are private Facebook just in case, because once this initial launch party is over, this private Facebook page is then going to turn into your VIP page. Okay. I'm going to show you how to do all of that, but let's focus on setting up this Facebook group first. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to walk step by step through setting up a launch party. Okay. So you are on my Facebook right now. You are going to go to see all groups over here in the left-hand corner, and you're going to create a new group. Okay. So for purposes, we are going to say mock Scentsy launch party. Okay, this is not really going to be a page that I'm using, but I'm showing you exactly what to do. You're going to name it. You are going to choose the privacy. You're going to press private and then hide group. You're going to say hidden. Okay. You don't want just anybody and everybody on Facebook being able to find. Okay. So I'm not adding anybody to this yet. I'm going to press create. What you're going to do from here, you are going to create a picture if you want to. I personally create pictures that are on Canva, and my pictures for my banner usually look something along these lines. Okay. You guys can see that. This is what my parties typically look like. I create that on Canva and I upload it onto here. Okay. From here, you are going to want to add a description. You're going to welcome your guests. You're going to embed your link to your launch party to this description. Okay. Make it very easy that the description is easy to find. Okay. Then after you do all of that, you're going to create a post, copying and pasting the exact description that you did, and you are going to include a picture of yourself, making sure you are including the launch party link that you have set up into that post. Okay. So that's as easy as it is. It is a private Facebook group that is eventually going to turn into your VIP page that you're going to be able to edit this. People are already going to be in there, and that way you can add more and more people. Okay. How you add people, you're just going to press the invite button and select the people that you want to add to your Facebook party. Okay. Easy peasy. Get it done.